Hi dears, welcome for the day 2 class. Before seeing the class, we will learn a good thing. So today's good thing is never hurt anyone. You should not hurt anyone because everything you do to others, it will definitely come to you. Whether you made a smile or made them sad, it will come back to you. Okay, so today's good habit is never hurt anyone. So let's see the class. Chapter 1, more than a million. Chapter 1, more than a million. So what we learned in the previous class? We learned that two number systems. What are all the number systems? One is Indian number system, another one is international number system. Then we learned the place value of the Indian number system. What are all the place values of the Indian number system? We learned the 7-digit numbers. So how many digits are there? 7 digits. So what are all the place values in Indian number system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then 10,000s, lakhs, then 10 lakhs. So these are all the place values in the Indian number system. So how do we write the number name of this number? Before write the number name, we have to write the comma for this number. So how do we write the comma? We have to separate the numbers into the groups. So 3 numbers, 1 group, and 2 numbers, 1 group, then 2 numbers, 1 group. So 3, 2, 2. We separate the numbers 3, 2, 2 in Indian number system. Then write the comma between the group numbers. So write the comma between the groups. So first group, ones group. This is the thousands group. This is the lakhs group. So how to write the number name of this number? Say the number all together. Then say the group name. Then second one, say the number all together. Say the group name. Then last one, say the number all together only. So read the number 73 lakhs 46,732. So this is the number name of the 7-digit number in Indian number system. We already learnt it in the previous class. Now we are going to see the international number system. So second type, international number system. International number system. I will write the 7-digit number here. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7-digit number this is. So we have to write the international number system for this number. So say the place values in Indian number system, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Then we have to write the lakhs and 10 lakhs in Indian number system. In international number system and Indian number system has same place values for the last 5 digits. Same place value for the 5 digits, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. The 5 place values are same in the Indian number system and international number system. After the 5th digit, it will change. The 6th digit of the place value of the 6th digit is called hundreds thousand. 100,000s. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So this is the international number system. Then next one is called million. Next one is called million. See the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s and million. So this is the place value of the international number system. In Indian number system, what are all the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. But international number system, last 2 digits are changed, 100,000s and millions. So this is the international number system. Then how do we separate the groups? Before writing the number name, we separate the groups. Last 3 digits, 1 group. In Indian number system, we have to separate 2 numbers for the next group. In international number system, we have to separate last 3 numbers also. So 3 numbers, then 3 numbers, because the place value of the numbers are thousands, 10,000 and 100,000s. These are all 1000. So this is called a 1000 group. ones group, thousands group, then million group. In Indian number system, what are all the group names? Ones, thousands, lakhs. In international number system, ones, thousands, million. So this is the group. Then we have to write the comma for this. So how to write the comma? Between the two groups, write the comma. Then see the another two groups, then write the comma. So last three numbers, then before the comma, again three numbers before the comma, then remaining number. In Indian number system, three numbers, then two numbers, then two numbers. In international number system, three numbers before the comma, then three numbers before the comma, then three numbers before the comma. So this is the international number system. Now let's see the number name for this number. So how to write the number name? Say the first number and write the group name. And see the second group, say the number all together and write the group name. And see the last one, say the number all together only. So see first group, here is number 5, group name is million. So 5 million, M-I-L-L-I-O-N, 5 million. 434 means 434. Say the number all together, then write the group name. 434 thousands. 434 thousands. F-O-U-R 4 hundreds. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 400 and 34 thousands. A-N-D and 34. T-H-I-R-T-Y 34. F-O-U-R 4 34 thousands. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D thousand. Then see the last group, say the number all together. 763 means 763. S-E-V-E-N 700. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 700 and A-N-D and 763. S-I-X-T-Y 63. T-H-R-E-E 3. 5,434,763. So this is the number name of the 7-digit number in international number system. So what we did in the first sum, we saw the number and write the place value of the number, then write the comma. Before write the comma, we separate the groups. So last three numbers ones group, again three numbers thousands group, another remaining number million group. So comma, between the two groups we put the comma, between the other two groups we put the comma. Then how to write the number name? First number and group name, then second number all together and group name, and third number all together. So this is the number name of the given 7-digit number in international number system. Now let's see the another example. Okay, see the number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. So how to write the place value of this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. 5-digit numbers, place value of the 5 numbers are same in the Indian number system and international number system. After the fifth digit it will change. So what is the place value of the 6th digit in international number system? That is 100,000. In Indian number system it is lakhs. So 100,000 in international number system. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then million. There is no lakhs in international number system. 100,000 and millions. Okay, how to write the number name for this number? Before writing the number name, we have to write the comma. So for write the comma, we have to separate the numbers into the groups. 1, 2, 3, one group. Then 1, 2, 3, one group. Then remaining number one group. This is called ones group. This is called thousands group. And remaining number called millions group. Ones group, thousands group, millions group. Then how to write the comma? Between the two groups, write the comma. Then between the other two groups, write the comma. So write the number 3, 434, 785. Then how to write the number name? Say the first number and group name. And see the another group, say the number all together and group name. See the another group, say the number all together only. Don't write the group name in the last group. So see the first one, 3 millions. THREE, 3 millions. How to write millions? What is the spelling? MILLION. 3 million. First group finished. Then see the second group. What is the number? 434 means 434. Say the number all together. 434. Then group name 1000. 434,000. 400 and 34 thousands. THOUSAND. 434,000. Second group also finished. Then see the third one, 785. 785 means 785. Write the number all together. Don't want to write the group name of this number. So 785 only. So 785. SEVEN. 700. HUNDRED. 785. AND and 85. EIGHTY. 85. So what is the number name? 3,434,785. So this is the number name of the 7-digit number in International Number System. Did you all understand this? So what we learned today? International Number System. In Indian Number System, what are all the place values? That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Then next one in Indian Number System, that is lakhs, then 10 lakhs. In International Number System, what are all the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Then what will come? 100,000s. 100,000s. Then millions. So these are all the place values of the International Number System. So compare the two number system. Ones are same here. Then tens are same. Hundreds also same. Thousands also same. Then 10,000s also same. So see the next one. Lakh and 100,000. In Indian number system there is lakh. In International Number System there is 100,000s. That means what? 1 lakh equal to 100,000. So 1 lakh in Indian number system, 1 lakh equal to 100,000 in International Number System. So 1 lakh equal to 100,000. Then see the next one, 10 lakhs and million. 10 lakhs and million. This means 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. So what is the difference between the Indian number system and International Number System? For the 5 digits, both number system, both place values are same in the Indian number system and International Number System. After the 5th digit, it will change. That is lakhs and 10 lakhs in Indian number system, 100,000 and million in International Number System. That means 1 lakh equal to 100,000 and 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 1 lakh equal to 100,000, 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. So this is the Indian number system and international number system. Take your rough note and write the today's homework. Write the first one. Write the number name for the following numbers in both systems. Write the first sum. 7345267. Second sum 5432735. So see the numbers, these are all 7-digit numbers. You have to write the number name for the following numbers in both system. You have to write Indian number system and international number system. First put the comma for the numbers, then write the number name of the number in Indian number system and international number system also. You will do the sum at your home in your free time. After completion the homework, take a photo and send to my WhatsApp number. So today class is over. We will meet in the next class. Thank you students. Bye.